Welcome to our channel Peace Booster. Today we'll be making fried mushrooms with bell peppers. You will need white mushrooms, cooking oil, coriander powder, cumin powder, grated green chilies and ginger, coriander leaves, soya sauce, spice blend or garam masala, and varieties of bell peppers. First, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of green chilies. Mix. Now add varieties of bell peppers. It's optional to add varieties. You can also use one kind of it, but it looks really colorful with varieties of it. Next, add salt as per your taste. Mix and cover it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 3 cups of white mushrooms. There is a process of getting the particular texture, and you can refer to our description box to learn it. Now add 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon of red chili powder, then add 1/2 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder, lastly 1/2 tablespoon of spice blend or garam masala. Now you see there's liquid here and we do not want that, so let it evaporate for 5 minutes. So now you can see there's no liquid, and after that we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. And add some coriander leaves too. And it will be ready to serve. And you can garnish it with the coriander leaf too. You can eat it with tortillas, rotis, and parathas. Now remember, our food gets its real taste when it's made in remembrance of God. Also, listen to some divine music. You can get such music from our channel, Peace Booster. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.